understanding compound sentences. Today, we are going to be learning about the elements that make up a compound sentence. First, let's talk about what are two things that make up a complete sentence besides a capital letter and a punctuation. Now, remember, we've already talked about this a couple of weeks ago. There's two things that make up a complete sentence. Did you figure it out yet? Yes, it is a subject and a predicate. We talked about that in length. So remember that a complete sentence has a subject and a predicate. Well, with compound sentences, it may have two subjects and two predicates that make up two complete thoughts that are combined with a coordinating conjunction. And we'll talk about how to identify those. A compound sentence is a sentence that combines two or more independent clauses. These are complete thoughts using a coordinating junction. Last year, you may have been taught about fanboys, and we're going to dive a little bit deeper into those today, or as this unit goes by. Each part of the compound sentence must be able to stand alone as a complete sentence. So let's dive into what this looks like. The first example that we have here, the sentence says, monarch butterflies have orange and black wings. First, let's identify the subject and the predicate. Remember, the subject is the who or the what, and the predicate is what they are doing. You got it. The subject is the monarch butterflies, and the predicate is have orange and black wings. So next we're going to be using a word bank to see if we can identify the subject and the predicates inside of a larger sentence. So this sentence says, monarch butterflies have orange and black wings and are considered to be one of the most well-known butterflies in North America. So let's look at a subject and a predicate again. What's the subject and what's the predicate? Very good. The subject is monarch butterflies, and the predicate is have orange and black wings and are considered one of the most well-known butterflies in North America. So we have two independent thoughts and ideas. We have monarch butterflies have orange and black wings, and we have monarch butterflies have orange and black wings and are considered one of the most well-known butterflies in North America. Let's take a look at identifying this sentence. Monarch butterflies have orange and black wings, and they are considered to be one of the most well-known butterflies in North America. So, this is what we call a compound sentence. It has two complete thoughts that are separated by a coordinated conjunction. So we are going to identify the two complete sentences, the subject and predicate in each, the comma, and the coordinating conjunction. So let's take a look. You have monarch butterflies is the subject of the first complete thought. Have orange and black wings is the predicate of the first complete thought. So that very first sentence is monarch butterflies have orange and black wings. That sentence could stand alone by itself. We have it separated by a comma and the conjunction and then you have another complete thought. They are considered to be one of the most well-known butterflies in North America. So they is the subject again. Are considered is the predicate. So we have two complete thoughts separated by the comma and the conjunction. We see our two subjects and our two predicates. Remember that a compound sentence includes a complete sentence 1, separated by a comma, a fanboys, and then a complete sentence 2. We are going to practice identifying these parts of sentences. Here are 5 practice compound sentences. We are going to circle and label sentences 1 and 2, the comma, and the fanboy that's being used. The first sentence is the cat chased the mouse. This is a complete sentence. You do have a subject and a predicate. You have the subject, the cat, the predicate, chased. It is followed by a comma and a conjunction, the fanboy and then you have sentence number 2, it quickly escaped. Well, it is the subject, quickly escaped is the predicate. These two sentences could stand alone, but they are separated by a comma and a fanboy, which makes them a compound sentence. Now it is your turn. You and your table group are going to complete 2, 3, 4, and 5, just as I showed you how to do number 1. You are going to circle and label the sentence 1, sentence 2, the comma, and the fanboy.